You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French word pronunciation. In French in France it is said as broque. Depending on the accent, regional accent, some may skip the sound at the end and say broque, broque. So either broque or broque, broque, broque. Both pronunciations are correct. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.